Well, Sibel. Zoe, what did you think?
First of all, you look beautiful tonight. Yeah, that performance was so passionate, like so passionate, and like therefore I would have loved you with like the original track. Just I personally, I think it would have added a little bit extra, but it was beautiful nevertheless. I love how you take every song and you really make it your own. Like your tone is so unique, and like the texture in your voice is so thick. It's just, you've got a stunning voice. Well done, it was amazing.
Kelly?
I'm so glad you decided to stick with this song, and you did it, because you are so hard on yourself. There were no timing issues whatsoever in that, and that is a really hard track. If you sang the original, it would have been much easier for you to sing, much easier. You chose to go down the hard route and make it more unique and more true to you. And I honestly can't congratulate you enough for pulling that off, especially when you doubted yourself so much. But I really felt the emotion in that performance. I think it was the most powerful I've seen you. You were really feisty, you know, you were really ballsy on the chorus. I just felt all this amazing energy coming off you whilst you were singing it, and it was just, some of the riffs in there were absolutely beautiful. You didn't overcook a single thing. It was on point. It was absolutely amazing. You should be really proud of yourself. And I want you to see this as a turning point for you now. And so in future, I want you to look at a song and think, hell yes, I can sing that, instead of doubting yourself, because you've got such an amazing talent and such a unique voice. You're capable of so much more than you think, and I think that just proved it. Well done.
I mean, Sibel, genuinely, that's exactly what I expected from you to do with that, because I was excited about it anyway, because it is the sort of song that I can imagine you doing with that twang. You got that strong, like sort of jazzy reggae / sort of really unusual sound, and this song allowed you to bring that completely to life. And yeah, you are going to be one of them people who's like Marmite, all right? And what I mean by this is like, you're going to have people that really like, wow, look, this is so different, this is so unique. And that is the section you want to be heading for. And you'll also have people that go, oh, that's odd, what she's doing. You know, forget the odd. And the reason I say that is because that is, I'm telling you now, that is exactly what sells in 2021. That is, if you turn on the TV and watch a music program now, The Voice or something, you will hear somebody that stands out like a sore thumb, like yourself. That's what you are. You are so special, and we're always giving you these compliments and that. But like I said to you the other week, I want to see you believe that, and you see that you can do it. And I'm seeing that, and I've got to give you credit, because tonight I felt like you were more focused. You look amazing. You suited it. You picked really well with the song choice, and I felt like you was more focused. The only thing you need to do now is where you're taking them steps to use the stand and look out to the crowd. Make sure it doesn't become stiff, like just looking like that. Don't be frightened to look around a bit. That's it. Very minor thing. That'll be the next thing next. Other than that, keep flourishing. Keep showing us what you can do. That was absolutely bang on. I think you smashed this theme so well. I really do. Well done.